So today is Monday, and the first thing we have to do is to drop Zen to his nursery. Are you happy? Are you happy, Zen? Yeah, but you doesn't sound like happy. Are you happy? Oh, Zen is still sad because he's still sleepy. He's a bit cranky today. And he's saying his friends is not there. No, they're coming, Zen. They're coming. Your friends is coming. Don't worry. So, yeah. So today I decided to make a vlog because it's Monday. And we are shifting to our new office. So today is the first day. And yeah, I will vlog everything today. But first, let me drop Zen first. What are you doing, Zen? Huh? Doing what? So Baba is still not here, so I have to pick and drop Zen. Zen, do you miss Baba? You miss Baba a lot? Look at here. Say, Daddy, come home. I miss you. So here in Dubai, it's very expensive ang school. It's like, if you compare to Philippines, ang preschool here is like nagpapaaral ka na ng college. So here, kailangan mo talagang may work for you to able to send your kids at school. Pinaka number one na mahal dito is the accommodation. The next is the transportation. If hindi ka naman nagda-drive, pero mas mahal ang nagda-drive kasi you have to pay salik, means like a toll gate or parking is very expensive now. Before it's 2 dirham per hour, now it's 6 dirham per hour. So because you cannot park your car here for 10 minutes without putting a parking, so nagbabayad ka na ng nursery, then you have to pay for parking and also for fuel and also for salik. Now I have to check for parking because I have to park Zen. So let's park here.
At my school.
Huh?
At my school.
Check your school. So we're here now at Zane's building. Now I have to put a parking before we go to his nursery, or else we'll get fined. Now I have to take all Zane's stuff. He has his bag, his food, his milk, his clothes. So everything you have to prepare, and let's go. So na-drop na natin si Zane. Now we have to go to work.
In 100
So,
meters, turn right
napipipan
on
nga
Street
tayo ng
13.
truck.
Then turn left.
Ginagamit ko pag nagda-drive is Waze.
Turn right on LC.1 Street.
Kasi mas accurate siya para sa akin. Medyo magulo sa akin si Google Map. Medyo hindi ako marunong
In 200 meters,
tumingin ng Google
use the
Map.
left 3 lanes to stay to the left to D86 First Elkhill Street.
Nalilito ako pag Google Map.
Then turn left.
Pag si Waze, madali lang siya. Kasi, for example, yung lane is 4. Si Waze, isi-show niya din na 4 yung lane. And then, i-show niya kung saan ka dapat lang. Kunyari, magto-turn left ka. Sasabihin niya sa'yo na stay to second lanes, stay to first 2
Stay to the
lanes.
left.
Something
Then
like
turn
that.
left on D86 First Elkhill Street.
Unlike sa Google Map, pag apat yung lane,
Turn left on D86 First Elkhill
hindi
Street.
niya sinoshow na apat yung lane. So, pag baguhan ka, like me, malilito ka talaga na kung ano yung gagamitin mo. Ay, kung saan ka magpapesto. Hindi pa naman ako ganun ka expert mag-drive. Kung working ka dito, tapos may baby ka, it's very difficult na wala kang nanny or wala kang kasama sa bahay. Kasi nga, di ba, mahirap din mag-trust pag-iwanan ng anak mo. So, for me, sa amin ni Daddy, kaya namin nilagay si Zane sa nursery. Kasi, sabi namin, mas okay na nasa nursery siya with other kids
Use the left 3 lanes to stay to the left.
kaysa sa bahay siya with nanny. Kasi ewan ko, basta advance lang kami mag-isip. Pero pag sa nursery naman, ang advantage niya is sa na-experience namin and what we observe. Sa nursery naman, at least doon, marami sila. I mean, marami silang bata. May learning siya, nakakapag socialize pa siya, and expose siya sa tao. Ang aga pa, Lunes pa lang, traffic na. At syempre, ang lahat ay pupunta ng work. It's Monday. Talagang kinakatakot ko pag sa main road ako, sa Zigzag Road. Kasi yung bus, lalaki nila, te. Wala saan ako pupunta, guys. Where should I go? Ay, dito?
In 600 meters, turn left on Marasi Drive.
Eh? Uy, mali ata. Shit, mali ako ng ano. Mali ako ng napuntahan. Oh no, mali ako na ikat. Why? Eh. So, kakalipat lang namin ng office. Kaya ganyan pa siya. Kalat. So, mag-aayos pa tayo. Ako yung mag-aayos ng aking table. Tapos ko na yung table ng aking boss. So, time for lang papel. Ganun yung susi ko. Kaya buksan mo yung susi. Nahulog yung be. Tayo mo rin natin natin dito. So, nawala yung susi ni Paula. Hindi ako siguro. Ayos ako. CR, alam yung pantry. So, sabi niya kanina kabit. Yan siya ako sa labang office. Sabi niya kanina, medyo marami ng steps. Sa end. Cardio. Maatang cardio. So, hello everyone. So, I thought mapapanindigan ko yung pag-vlog ko today. Pero mali pala ako. So,
Let's take D69L Maiden Street and E11 Sheikh Zayed Road.
so we're done for today. Palabas na tayo ng office parking. And magsusunod na tayo kay Zane.